Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about the EM wave propagation in free space, or we will prove that velocity of light in free space has the value 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now we will start with the Maxwell's equations in free space, which we have already understood before. So the first equation is dive E is equal to 0, dive B or dive H is equal to 0, curl E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. So we have opened it in terms of mu naught and H. So that is minus mu naught dou H by dou T. The last equation is curl H is equal to epsilon naught dou E by dou T or dou D by dou T. It's the same thing. Now we use the third equation and we take curl on both the sides. So on the both the sides we are taking curl. So this becomes curl of curl E, which is equal to minus mu naught dou by dou T of curl of H. Now we substitute for curl of H from the equation number 4. So we get curl of curl E is equal to minus mu naught epsilon naught dou square E by dou T square. So we have substituted this value here. Now we use the vector identity for curl of curl E, which is grad of dive E minus grad square E or Laplacian E, which makes it minus mu naught epsilon naught dou square E by dou T square. Now we know that divergence of E is equal to 0. So we get this equation to be grad square E is equal to mu naught epsilon naught dou square E by dou T square, which is a differential equation for E vector. Similarly, we can also get the equation in terms of H vector by taking the curl of equation 4, and the equation we will obtain will be exactly of the same fashion as obtained here. That will be grad square H is equal to mu naught epsilon naught dou square H by dou T square. Now both these equations are the differential equations for E and H vectors resembles the general wave equation. Both these equations are of the form of the general wave equation, wherein it can be written in terms of H. Grad square H is equal to 1 by V square dou square H by dou T square. So this is the general wave equation, wherein V is the velocity of the wave. So if we see, both these equations can be compared easily because we are also talking about electromagnetic wave. So these equations must satisfy each other. So we can directly equate these equations and we will get mu naught epsilon naught is equal to 1 by V square. So on comparison, we get 1 by V square is equal to mu naught epsilon naught, or V is equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught. Now the values of mu naught are 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter, and epsilon naught is 8.87 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad per meter. So on substituting in the above equation, we get V is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which shows that the EMF wave travels with the speed of light in vacuum. So this is how we prove that velocity of light in free space is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second using Maxwell's equation. It is worthwhile to note here that the ratio of E and H magnitudes, the E and H magnitude is termed as characteristic impedance. So for free space, because we know the values of mu naught and epsilon naught, so the E by H is termed as the characteristic impedance, that is equal to Z, and that is given by root of mu naught by epsilon naught. So these values are known. So this turns out for the free space that the characteristic impedance of free space is 377 ohms. So this was all about EM wave propagation in free space. Thank you.